Hi everyone, it's Wilkin from Motorola, and today we'll be getting hands-on with the Motorola Brilliant Collection, and it's exactly that, brilliant. Let's talk about this finish first. It's called PANTONE Ice Melt, and it's every bit as premium as it looks. Soft touch with a unique 3D quilted texture. Seriously, it feels like a designer handbag. And then there are crystals, 35 genuine Swarovski crystals, including this hero gem on the hinge. And yes, this phone sparkles. Still as satisfying as ever to open, that classic Razr snap. And the external display is bold and usable, just like the standard Razr 60. But here, it's all about that finish. Inside, you've got a gorgeous foldable 6.9-inch FHD Plus POLED display. Everything runs smoothly with this MediaTek Dimensity 7400X processor and 8GB of RAM. But it's the outside where this model shines. From day to low light, get ultra sharp, shake-free shots with a 50 megapixel camera, featuring instant all-pixel focus, quad pixel low light brilliance and OIS. Going as wide as 120 degrees or zooming in by 2 times and taking a shot in macro. The Razr 60 also has power to last all day with a long-lasting 4500 mAh battery. Then we've got these, the Moto Buds Loop. Same ice melt finish, same crystal accents, open ear, tuned by Bose. They don't block your surroundings, so you stay aware, and the sound is clear and crisp. Plus they look stunning, like wearable tech meets jewellery. And this little detail I love, the crossbody case. It's minimal, secure, and matches the whole aesthetic perfectly. This collection is meant to be seen. The Motorola Brilliant Collection isn't just a phone and earbuds. It's a statement. Elegant, unexpected, and limited. If tech and fashion had a baby, this would be it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and how would you rock crystals in your tech?
Hello, Moto.